Hello everyone, my name is Vikrant. I am from the Central University of Haryana and I am from the Journalism and Mass Communication Department. Today we are discussing about television. What is television and history of a television? Television. Television is a widely used telecommunication system for broadcasting and receiving moving pictures and sound over a distance. The word television is derived from Latin word tel, which means far, and Latin word vision means sight. Who invented the television? John Logie Baird invented the television, and his first TV set was made of scissors, an old tea chest, and some sealing wax. History of television. Timeline of TV history. Late 1800s, Paul Gottlieb Nikpo developed the first ever mechanical module of television. He succeeded in sending images through wires with the help of rotating metal disc. This technology was called the electric telescope that had 18 lines of resolution. 1907, A. Campbell Swinton and Boris Rosing used the cathode ray tube in addition to the mechanical scanner system to create a new television system. From the experiments of Nikpo and Rosing, two types of television system came into existence: mechanical television and electronic television. Mechanical television history. 1923, Charles Jenkins used the disc idea of Nikpo's to invent the first ever practical mechanical television system. His radiovisor model 100 was being sold in a complete kit as a mechanical television. In 1926, John Logie Baird was the first person to have succeeded in transmitting moving pictures through the mechanical disc system started by Nikpo. He also started the first ever TV studio. In 1934, all television systems had converted into the electronic system, which is what is being used even today. Electronic television history. 1927, Philo Taylor Farnsworth had created the first electronic television system, which did away with the rotating discs and other mechanical aspects of mechanical television. Thus was born the television system, which is the basic of all modern TVs. All the early television systems were black and white, and color television being invented much later on. Importance of television. Commercial television. Commercial TV stations broadcast many more entertainment programs than any other kind, such as soap operas, cartoons, children shows, discussion and talk shows, documentaries, and sports events. All commercial stations broadcast brief summaries of local, national, and international news every day. Public television, public TV focus mainly on education and culture. Public TV stations offer combined entertainment and culture enrichment. They telecast such things as playback leading, dramatics, ballets, and symphonies, and a survey of art and history. Subscription television. Subscription television is television broadcasting paid for new by the viewers. Most subscription television is made up of cable system. Cable offers far more greater program variety than regular TV stations. Cable channels are devoted exclusively to specific types of programming: movie, news, sports, and arts. Advantages and disadvantages of television. Advantages: news, current event and historical programming can help make young people more aware to other cultures and peoples. Television keeps us informed of all current affairs in the world. One can have a weather forecast and accordingly plan several things before time. It's entertains. Television help us enrich and spiritual lives. Disadvantages: viewers sometimes imitate violent, criminal, sexual, and other risky behavior they see on television and end up in trouble in jail or in hospital as a result. Watching too much television is not good for your health. It's a waste of time. Television's hidden agenda is consumerization. Thank you.